So hi guys. Today we would be starting off with the natural learning processing using TensorFlow. You must be thinking that what is natural learning processing? Like what we did in computer vision, we used to recognize images, train a model using those images using TensorFlow, and then a model used to predict the input images. Similarly, uh, we are not in this world just using images, we also use text and languages. And suppose all these chatbots that you see in the websites and apps every day are part of natural learning processing. So what happens in natural language processing, or NLP for short, is broadly defined as the automatic manipulation of natural languages like speech and text by software. You must have seen in your daily life many artificial intelligence like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Cortana in Windows are part of natural learning processing. Means they are like listen to your voice and they process it and then they reply back to it. So when dealing with pictures, we already have pixel values which are numbers. However, when dealing with text, it has to be encoded so that it can be easily processed by a neural network. To encode the words, we could use their ASCII values. However, ASCII values limit our semantic understanding of the sentence. So if you don't have idea about ASCII value, you can simply search about them because they are they would be used here. Here you can see the ASCII value that are used by various languages and how all this international system work likes. Because some basic Python programming is must for using TensorFlow. So this would be a really a very basic introduction part to natural language processing using TensorFlow. So starting off with, I would simply first go here. I would use the GPUs here. Even if you use TPU, there won't be any problem because this is not a very big data set or any big thing we are going doing in machine learning or TensorFlow. This is a very basic thing, but yeah, it's available, so we are using it. So first we would be importing TensorFlow as TF, and from TensorFlow.keras.preprocessing text we would import tokenizer. After that, we would be giving three sentences here. For now, I would be using only okay two sentences. Yeah, and we would be experimenting to see the difference and how parameters work like. I would be giving two sentences to my neural network that okay, these are my sentences, and for now I am not doing training or testing, that is a very far thing. For now I am just telling you how these sentences are embedded and how tokenizer takes things. I would be running this, and now I would be running this command. So you can see the code I have written here. I would explain you in a while. Till then, I love my shirt, I love my pant. So I is the first letter, love is the second, my is the third, then shirt, because it's the first sentence, is fourth, pant is fifth. So basically what is this tf.keras preprocessing text.tokenizer? This class allows you to vectorize a text corpus by turning each text either into a sequence of integers, each integer being the index of a token in a dictionary, or into a vector where the coefficient of each token could be binary based on word count. And if you want to see all the arguments available here, here is the document where all the things are mentioned. Here you can see tokenizer. Which thing we are using here? We are using fit on text. I would simply go here fit on text, and you can see it. What it does is basically, yeah, uh, I would just, yeah, a list of sequences. Sequence is a list of integer word indices. Updates the internal vocabulary based on a list of text required before using text to this. Yeah. So basically in this, what happens is we are converting we are first initializing a tokenizer. What is a tokenizer? In which we are embedding all the words, and this can be big, small. For now it's a very basic syntax. We are not using any real world data set, hence I am using 100 as a number here. But in real world data sets things are quite different. We would see that in further cases when we do big programs or real life data sets. and then I would fit all the text, that is all the sentences that I have defined in this array here inside this tokenizer. Now what I would do, I would do word index, I would define it as, and I would simply do tokenizer dot word index. It would print all the indexes present in the inside the tokenizer with the help of words. Now suppose till now we have been using these three sentences, but for now if I yeah if I what I do, I simply make this also a sentence, and I run this here, and then I run this here. You can see love is first word, my is second, I is third, shirt is fourth, fifth is pant, and then is sixth. So this is all dependent on the sentences and data sets you are putting inside the array. What we are basically doing, we are putting inside it array, we are initializing a tokenizer, we are putting all the sentences inside the tokenizer, and after that we are just seeing how these sentences are stored inside, how these words or how our letters that we are embedding are stored inside this TensorFlow. So once we have initialized a tokenizer, we can use it in various ways, a number of ways for natural language processing. We would see that in the next video, but for now I just wanted to tell you about tokenizer. You can go to the documentation for more details if you want to learn about tokenizer. It's a really nice documentation where you can see almost all the things available of how to use tokenizer and how the what all arguments are available inside it. You can see that there are a number of arguments. Even here you can see the numbers argument, which is here, the maximum number of words to keep based on word frequency. So I have already told you these are the number of words, maximum words we can store inside tokenizer. This can be 1000, 1000, 3000, 4000, as much as you want depending on the data type you are testing on. So this was it for the video. Have a look on in the notebook. I would be giving the link in the description section, and have fun experimenting with all the sentences you want. Thank you and have a nice day.